The reason you want to look at multiple properties always, that way you're not desperate. You're willing to put an offer and try to negotiate a better deal. If you only look at one property, your mentality will be, I gotta have it, and get taken advantage of.
Throw them pillows up, throw them pillows up, throw them pillows up.
Stacking on the pillows.
You get a pillow. You get a pillow.
You have shorts on, Adrian?
Yeah. You know it's like 25 now. It was like 40 right now.
You can't wear shorts and a jacket. It's against the law.
I want to walk around. Olga's like, it's like I'm at an amusement park.
Why?
Because it's just like so quaint. So I figured out how to do that. And just basically like pouring
help it.
Wait, someone did. There you go. That's good.
How's that look? All right, I'll pop up here and I'll
Feeding the cows.
some good hay.
The one before the
Yeah,
board.
before the one before the board, Ty. You're doing awesome. You know exactly what I'm doing.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. Move, cow. Right there, Ty. Perfect. Right there. Beautiful. Nailed it.
You gotta realize the way Joel raises cows is much more humane and clean. How good does it smell here?
I love it.
It's not like a factory farm, which are nasty. Adrian's attentive even if it's not his own food. Joel invented a system where every time he puts new chips in, he'll add some corn. Then in the spring, the pigs come and want to find the corn, and they root it up and aerate the compost. Here we go. Woo! Michael, you gonna race? Come on, buddy. How you doing, Drew? You got gloves? Why does Drew not have gloves? Drew, we have so many extra gloves.
I lost mine too.
Oh my God, you guys are ding-dongs. You gotta learn how to take... Drew, I thought your philosophy is to be able to at least take care of yourself.
Well, I'm good.
No, you're not. Your hands are... All right, well, you gotta start pulling your hands out to do work.
So like this is like their own personal, or this is their shop where people can buy direct.
They open this up a few days out of the week. And people can come buy stuff on the farm.
Oh dang, that's cool. Time? When was this?
Joel's been cool. And all the big stuff, National Geographic.
So I could have gotten that for Dad. It's all sold out.
And bees box.
Probably have more of it.
She has a bees box.
Yeah.
Put it all right without a housekeeper. What does that look?
Wait, I'm not sure Ben's the right person.
No, he didn't let me finish. He just started putting it on. I didn't see it. I'm done.
It's not finished
That's like me like halfway doing the Rubik's Cube.
It was a trigger value.
This is the worst jacket. This company, whoever makes this jacket, what's the deal? I can't figure out how to put it on, man.
It's all good. And the instructions are pick up a plate and go buffet style, tacos. I'll sit right here. Teresa will sit here. Everybody else can sit wherever you want to sit. Okay?
Real farm meal.
Yep. Yeah.
You guys got the tacos going?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Born in the 1990s.
They don't know about it. They don't know about the struggle, you know what I mean? But it's okay.
Did you and Teresa come over in the Mayflower together or something?
Drew,
What are you talking
you were
about?
born in the 90s. The 1990s, not the 1790s, not the Mayflower 90s. He's the first person I ever met that read a book a day. So it was my inspiration.
That's an incredible. That's like.
Yeah, I remember I was literally, I was that angle and I was sitting there and I was
He
going,
was sitting right here.
I was like, I gotta read. I had always read, but not, now I read a lot more. And he was Omniscient
read a
may be
lot
the
of
most
different
interesting
things.
person you've ever met.
Yeah,
He could
yeah.
talk about anything and make it interesting.
Yeah, and he
He had a real photographic memory. He read and
No,
he
true.
Oh yeah, he used to say
Yeah.
the page number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like page 150.
And he could read a book, you know, that it would take me 5-6 hours to read.
Yeah.
He'd read it in an hour.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
And
on
retain
page
it all.
169, yeah, and retain.
It's not just about how fast you read, it's how much you retain.